Hey, I'm Bradley with Blue Cord. You guys are awesome for being here today, and I have a special announcement to make. Now, I'm doing something completely new with the YouTube channel, and I'm really excited about it. It's going to offer more exclusive content. I'm going to explain how it works. Last year, YouTube introduced paid subscriptions, and those paid subscriptions give you special perks. Now, I currently have 3 levels of paid subscriptions. I'm going to go through the cost of each level and what each one does. The 3 levels are I like it, I love it, and I want more of it. The first level, I like it, costs $2.99 a month, and what that does is it gives you loyalty badges. So basically, it's a little badge that goes next to your name. It shows how long you've been a follower or a paid subscriber of the channel. The second thing, which I think is really awesome, is it gives you members-only polls. The polls, I think, are a really neat way for the entry-level subscribers to have sort of a voice. I'm going to put a poll out. Whatever is indicated in the polls, that's the direction that we're going to go. So in a way, you're kind of steering, you're at the helm of the channel. The second tier, I love it. That I think is going to be the most popular because it's going to contain members-only videos. So what are those? So in explaining what members-only videos are, it's going to contain special content that I think would cater more toward Ventrac owners, enthusiasts, and aficionados. So a lot of those videos are going to contain maintenance and tutorials, and if you have a Ventrac, they're going to save you a lot of time and a lot of frustration. I've been putting together maintenance and tutorial videos for years, so I already have dozens of videos that are included in the second level membership. So if you own a Ventrac or you're thinking about getting a Ventrac, that's a really good deal for you. The third tier, and one that I'm really excited about, I want more of it. In addition to the polls, to the members only videos, it's also going to include photos and status updates. Every time I'm out here in the shop and I'm doing Ventrac stuff, I'm taking photos and I'm documenting everything. And I'm going to upload those and you can see them. That's pretty awesome. There's also going to be member shoutouts. So as a top tier subscriber, I'm going to drop your name once in a while. And I think one of the coolest things is that you have early access to upcoming videos. So while everybody else has to wait, you don't have to. So that's just a very brief synopsis of the upcoming changes that are coming to this channel. I think they're really awesome, and it gives you a really great opportunity to connect with me in ways that before just weren't possible. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I take the time to read them all and I respond. I hope you guys find that as exciting as I do, and I look forward to seeing who my paid subscribers are. Thanks so much for taking this time to be with me right now, and I'll see you guys in the upcoming videos.